Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to continue our practice book unit 9, that is conditionals, and we are going to start with worksheet number 4. So let's see what is given over here. Work with your partner, ask him or her a question based on the pictures given below and let him or her answer. Write the answers in the space provided. The first one has been done for you. So let's see the first example. You can see the picture and where a necklace has been shown and its cost has also been written. And what is given? Just see. Buy her the gold necklace. Two men are standing. One is asking the other one. Buy her the gold necklace and the price is rupees 16,000. So the first person is asking, why don't you buy her gold necklace? कि ये गोल्ड नेकलेस आप क्यों नहीं खरीद रहे उनके लिए, राइट? एंड द अदर वन इज सेइंग आई वुड हैव इफ इट वाजंट सो कॉस्टली. सो द अदर वन इज सेइंग, द अदर पर्सन, कि मैं खरीद लेता अगर ये इतना कॉस्टली नहीं होता. इट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रेजेंट अनरियल कंडीशन. एंड दिस इज विच काइंड ऑफ कंडीशनल सेंटेंस? That is second conditional. And here how do we use the verbs? If part we use simple past tense and in the other part we use would, right? So similarly we have to complete the other parts of it by completing the conversation between the two persons, right? So look at the second one. Walk to the ferry. Do you know what is ferry? Ferry is a boat or a ship service for a short distance over water, right? So here the distance is 6 kilometer. So person one, what he would be asking the question from the other one, it is, why don't you walk to the ferry? कि तुम पैदल चल के क्यों नहीं जाते फेरी तक? So because the distance is long, right? 6 kilometers, it's not a short distance. So what could be the answer? I would have if it wasn't so far. कि मैं चला तो जाता अगर ये इतना दूर नहीं होता, right? So how we have used the verbs in if part? Means in if part we have used simple past tense. You can see if it wasn't so far. And in the other part we have used would. I would have if it wasn't so far. Now come to the third one. Climb the mountain. Height is 6,000 meters, right? So person one is asking the other one, why don't you climb the mountain? कि तुम ये पहाड़ क्यों नहीं चढ़ लेते, right? So the distance is long, the height is too much. So the person two would be saying, I would have, कि मैं चढ़ तो लेता if it wasn't so high, कि अगर ये इतना ऊंचा नहीं होता, right? So in this way this conversation has to be completed. Now fourth one, that is the two boys are talking to each other. And what is the concept? Put on your socks. You can see in the picture the socks have been washed and those have been kept for drying, right? Just been washed. तो अभी अभी धोई हैं तो वो कैसे पहन लेगा? गीली socks तो कोई नहीं पहनता. So P1 is asking, why don't you put on your socks? And P2, the person two, who what would be his answer? कि मैं पहन लेता अगर ये इतनी गीली नहीं होती तो. I would have if they weren't so wet. कि मैं पहन तो लेता अगर गीली नहीं होती. Now come to the fifth part. Take that bus. And you can see the clue is given over here, packed with people. Means the bus is very much crowded. So the person one must be asking, why don't you take that bus? कि तुम ये बस क्यों नहीं ले लेते, बोर्ड क्यों नहीं कर लेते, इस पे क्यों नहीं चले जाते? So person two will be answering, I would have it if it wasn't so crowded. कि मैं उस पर चला तो जाता अगर उसमें इतनी भीड़ नहीं होती, right? So these are the different sentences you have made different conditional sentences in which you are talking about some present unreal conditions, and we have used simple past tense in if part, whereas in the other part we have used would, right? So come to the worksheet number 5. This is what is it? Vivek is suffering from cold and cough. His grandmother Adarsh Devi is very much worried. She has given him hot tea with pepper and honey. क्या हुआ है? विवेक को कोल्ड एंड कफ हुआ है और उसकी ग्रैंड मदर ने उसको एक होम रेमेडी के थ्रू शी हैज़ गिवन हर गरम चाय दी है पेपर एंड हनी डालकर. पेपर होता है काली मिर्च, हनी आप सबको पता है शायद. विवेक इज फीलिंग मच बेटर नाउ. गिवन बिलो आर सम ऑफ द ग्रैंड मदर्स होम रेमेडीज. रेमेडीज़ का मतलब होता है सॉल्यूशंस, कि घर में ही, घर बैठे बैठे ही किसी प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट कर लेना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड होम रेमेडीज़. तो ग्रैंड मदर ने ग्रैंड मदर्स आपको पता है आपके घर में भी बहुत सारी होम रेमेडीज़ जो हैं वो आपकी मम्मी को भी और आप लोगों को भी शी यूज़ टू टेल, राइट. सो विवेक इज़ नोटिंग देम डाउन इन अ डायरी. अब विवेक जो है उन होम रेमेडीज़ को अपनी एक डायरी में लिख रहा है. विच आर दोज? लेट्स सी. These are given in the form of conditional sentences, and you all know that these sentences will be taken as present real conditions or general truths or habits. So these will be zero conditionals where we will be using simple present tense in both the parts. So let's read them. If you have stomach ache, have a teaspoon of ajwain with hot water. You can see if part. If you have stomach ache, अगर पेट में दर्द होती है आपके, तो आप क्या करें? 1 टीस्पून और अजवाइन लें और उसको हॉट वाटर के साथ लें, तो यू विल बी फीलिंग बेटर, राइट. सो दिस इज ज़ीरो कंडीशनल sentence in which we are using simple present tense in both the parts. Look at the next remedy. If you hurt yourself, अगर आपको चोट लग जाती है तो क्या करना है? अप्लाई टर्मरिक मिक्स्ड विद मस्टर्ड ऑयल ऑन द वूंड. उस चोट पर हल्दी और मस्टर्ड ऑयल, सरसों का तेल का पेस्ट बनाइए और उस पर लगाइए, तो दिस विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट. सो दीज आर 2 होम रेमेडीज. नाउ the next 2 you have to write, right? Work in group of 4, get into the role of the grandmother. Think of at least 2 more home remedies that you can give to Vivek so that he can note them down in his diary. So here a few clues have been given. According to the clues, you have to write the home remedies. I'll give you an example. Like for headache, you must have seen at home your mother or your grandmother, if you have headache, she gives you a massage with oil, isn't it? So how can we write it? If you have headache, massage your head with oil. So this can be one home remedy. Second one is, the clue is given sore throat. कि गला खराब हो जाता है, गले में दर्द होती है, तो आप क्या करते हैं घर में? बहुत बार आपने देखा होगा, यू मस्ट हैव सीन, कि गागल्स के लिए यू हैव बीन गिवन हॉट सॉल्टी वाटर and it gives you lots of relief. So we can write this home remedy for sore throat. If you have sore throat, do gargles with hot salty water. So in this way we can write some of the home remedies by using conditional sentences. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.